Having an issue with your washer or dryer? A good first step is to check for an error code on your appliance to figure out exactly what the issue is. You'll need the Samsung washer and dryer app for this one, so go ahead and download that first. You'll also need to be able to use the back-facing camera on your phone. Your appliance does not need to be paired with the app in order to use the SmartCare feature. Some models may have SmartCare overlapping with another button. These will be labeled with an asterisk SmartCare below the button. In this case, you'll want to press and hold the button for 3 seconds. On other models, you can simply press the designated SmartCare button on the panel. Once pressed, your appliance will do a self-diagnosis and display an error code with a series of lines on the screen. Now, open the app. Tap SmartCare. Read through the on-screen instructions and tap Next. Now, line up the camera with the error code on the display. Confirm that the image on your screen matches the code on the appliance and tap OK. The app will now inform you of the problem. It's possible that the issue is something you can fix yourself, like the door being left open. However, you may need to call for professional help to take further steps to repair your appliance.